Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app not available issue on your Apple device on App Store. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you're unable to get the app, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then you have to simply go to general and then scroll it below all the way and go to language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region where the app is available to be downloaded. So guys, you have to simply change your country or region according to the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to your profile and then go to media and purchases and then tap on view account and wait here for some seconds, and from here enter the password for your device for one time. And now tap on the country region, and from here select your country or region according to your debit or credit card, or you have to simply select your country or region according to the app where the app is available to be downloaded and installed. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.